This old guy DIY video demonstrates the technique that I used to replace this piece that's on the end of a high-lift jack. And when I was reading about these things last night, they said the failure mode here, this is the weak link, and it'll fail at 750 pounds. So I suspect it's this piece that actually fails rather than the bolt. So I was trying to think of something I could put on there that would fail at much more than 750. So I thought, what if I took the tow hook from a new body style GM product, a Tahoe, Suburban, that type of thing, and the stock bolt that comes on it fits 15-30 seconds. And I don't know if it's actually metric or if that's the right size. But anyway, taking that bolt, I can mount this thing right here, and I think I've defeated the weak link which was there. Now I'll mount it and show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like mounted. And there's no need to put the nut on the back because this tow hook was threaded. But rather than just cut the extra length off the bolt, I thought I'd just throw the nut on there since I had a nut here with me. But that thing should have eliminated the weak point if you were grabbing with that piece that came with the machine. So anyway, if the tow hook is good enough for a GM car that weighs 6,000 pounds, I imagine something will give long before the tow hook. And with that bolt being 15-30 seconds, you know, the shear force on that thing is a hell of a lot more than the shear force down here on the 7/16 pin. So if this idea helped you at all, please subscribe, and I hope you have a nice day.